We're here at Moonport and it is just a delightful day. Approximately 2:30 Eastern. And I had to do a little repair on good old high-tech Flash 4, the battery connector. It was shorting out. I did a pretty good job in repairing it temporarily, so here goes nothing. Going to the field, and hopefully it's still rolling and capturing the video. It's a little breezy, as you can see. There's the windsock right there. All right, getting ready for hand launch, guys. Here goes nothing. Oh, the wind took it. All right, stop fooling around, Carlos, and toss it. There you go. Woo, yeah, baby. This is the perfect model for windy days. Look at that thing go. Unbelievable. Oh yeah. Yes, sir, Bob. That's how it's done. 2 years in storage. A couple of repairs, new push rods, and I'll tell you, I'm exactly half throttle right now. It is brushless. Coming right at you. Yee-haw! Wind, what wind? This thing doesn't care. Yeah, baby. The Zagi is a little lighter than the combat wing by a few ounces, which is significant for a wing. So it is a darling in the air because of the light wind loading. She moves nice. And the best is after 7 minutes, it's still like 12 volts on the battery. It's very efficient motor. Woo! All right, I think you guys get the drift, and no pun intended. This is dead stick, guys. Coming in for a landing on dead stick. There you go. You can't beat it. You cannot beat it. She flew great. A little trim up elevator. Actually, Avalon's. This is a wing, not a a traditional aircraft with tail feathers, but it let's see here. Yeah, it does great. Took me a while, but hey man, it works. Thank you.